Hi guys, today we're gonna show you, oh no, what happened? Okay, sorry. Today we're gonna show you what I put on my table. So, yeah. So here are all my stickers. I know it's not that bright. I still sorry. Super duper sorry. Oopsies. There you go. This side now. Oh no, sorry. There you go. That one. And then we have this. I'm coloring it still. Light pretty bad, I'm sorry. And then I have my markers, pens, and pencils. Oh no, I can't see. I think I need to bring my lamp all the way here. So, there. Here are all my pencils and markers. And then, oh wow, there's a lot to show you down here. That was really, I'm sorry. That was not expected, but okay. Everything gone okay, except for that. But everything's okay. Nothing got hurt. Not even my lamp. And a little thing for my hair. I'm washing my face, but I don't really use this because I don't, you know. I mean, I wash my face. I don't wash my face. So let's move you. The light is the most, you know. Hello, hi. Oops, I'm sorry. I normally put it here, so here's my pencil case. I have scissors, my very, very, very nice scissors. I love them. I mean, yeah, okay. Here are my sharp scissors. And I have some pens, pencils, markers, a lot. And here are my stickers. I can't really show them to you. Like here, we'll show you. So those are most of my stickers. I don't have kawaii stickers, but yeah, I have a few. I don't think I have any. I don't know. I don't really know how to look of. And then I have some notes and everything like that. Okay, moving our face. Hello. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. So let's put this in, and oh, I have a lot in here. So I have some envelopes. This is number 1. And then just papers with stickers again. She likes giving things like this, but I don't always use it. I just keep it because I like the sticker. I like the stickers. Sometimes I even get the stickers and use it for something else because I just like her stickers, but I don't want to get it if it's not. So I don't do it. And then I'm gonna put it back. And then I have my favorite planner. This one. I'm just gonna do the flip of the page and everything like that. I don't really want to make the video long, Okay, this is a lot to keep now. And then we're gonna have part 2 because it's gonna be hard for my dad to edit. So yeah, bye. Peace and love. Smile. Bye.